Okay, guys, we are live. This is for Tim Lagundo's. Sorry if I butchered your name, Tim. Really lousy with last names. But anyways, this is for Tim's auction giveaways. His auctions were going on the last month or so, and he's given away a few prizes. Let's go through here. He's got $20 break credit with Mr. Hodges there. Leaf Gordie Howe to 20. Leaf 6-way relic to 25. And Alsner Sovereign Sigs and a Christian Dvorak Ice rookie auto to $2.99. I'll be randoming both lists 3 times, just like Michael Hodges does. So, first here's the list of names. There's 118 entries. So we go in here, paste the names. Go top bottom. Time is 8:16 p.m. Eastern. First random. See, there's 117 items, and just want to show that there's 100. Whoa! Why is there? Hold on a second, guys. Something went wrong. Oh, no. Okay, never mind. There is... Nothing went wrong. There's actually 117. It's just that he put down names up there, which takes 1 spot in there. So there is only 117. Oh, scared me for a second there, guys. Okay. Again, next random. 8:17 p.m. Eastern. That's the second random. 8:17 p.m. Eastern. Third and final random for the names, guys. There we go. So just to show, the random was complete. Third random, 3 times. Time, 8:17 p.m. Eastern. Top 5 wins, so, wow. Jason Carney, Sean Noble, and Sean Noble. You guys clean sweep that. So the name's in there. I take the prizes, 5 prizes, go into the next random, prizes in, time 8:17 p.m. Eastern, first random, second random, 8:17 p.m. Eastern, third and final random, guys, good luck. There we go, copy that over. Yeah, it should be here anyways. One. Here we go. Let's paste that. Bold it. Make it bigger. Okay, guys. So, Jason Carney, you won the $20 break credit. Jason Carney, you also won the Christian Dvorak Ice Rookie to $2.99. Sean Noble, 3 times in a row, you won the Alsner Sovereign Sigs, Leaf Gordie Howe to 20, and the Leaf 6-way relic to 25. Okay, guys, congratulations. Winners, get in contact with Tim, and he'll get the prizes out to you. We are done, and we are going to be uploading in a second. Actually, do the final timestamp, 8:19 p.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.